Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, tuturuan ko kayo kung ano ang pinakamadaling way para isolve ang content validity ratio. And the easiest method, that will be CVR is equals to 2 multiplied by the number of experts divided by the total number of experts minus 1. There are 5 experts who agreed that item number 1 is essential or appropriate, and the total number of experts is 5 as well. So that will be 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 5 minus 1. So 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 10. So magiging 10 divided by 5 minus 1. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. So therefore magiging 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Therefore our CVR is 1. For our last example, let's just say item number 2 has 3 experts who agreed that it is essential or appropriate. So that will be 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 5, which is the total number of experts, minus 1. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. Magiging 6 divided by 5 minus 1 na siya. So 6 divided by 5 is 1.2. So magiging 1.2 minus 1. 1.2 minus 1 is equals to 0.2. Therefore, our CVR is 0.2. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something from me.